Okay guys, so right now we are headed to number 6 restaurant that's in Patong Beach. So magla-lunch kami. Actually late lunch na kasi kakatapos na namin mag-swimming. Isa yung number 6 sa recommended place to eat dito sa Patong. So tatry namin today and then probably swimming na lang din after kaya medyo naka-swimming after kami. See you! For our lunch, we chose to dine at number 6 restaurant located near at Bangla Road and Patong Beach. Dito na kami guys. Mahaba lang pila. Kahit mahaba yung pila at maraming kumakain, saglit lang naman kami nagantay at least for around 5 minutes. So if you're looking for cheap yet really good Thai food, I'd suggest you guys try this place.
Yun na chef recommended.
Hey. Thank you, Opa. Pinali, chicken wings, chicken satay, tom yum, shrimp tom yum, chicken pad thai. Anong rice yan, te?
Shrimp fried rice.
Shrimp fried rice. And the authentic, the legitimate, the genuine Thai iced tea. We're already done eating here at number 6. And so far so good. Food is great. And actually libre ng aming lead manager, Aryan Yambao, na nagpapaaral ng 2 estudyante. How's the food? All good. Perfect. Especially yung tom yum. Sobrang sarap. Kaya siya lalong masarap kasi libre ni Aryan.
Tiger Pop.
So naglakad-lakad lang muna kami around the area and dinaanan din namin yung Bangla Road papunta sa Patong Beach. Ayan yung nakita ko sa picture. Not much to see here since paulan na din naman, so we opted to go back to our hotel to take some rest. Tonight. Kita pa kami sa very informative tong field trip na to, yes? Tama-tama, kabayan. Naobserbahan natin yung isa sa mga...
Meron tayong alam tungkol sa ano eh.
Kitang-kita nyo po, supporter ng AI art.
Napaka-nonchalant pa.
Later that night, we decided to go out and experience the nightlife in Phuket. Hindi naman OA. Meron kasi kaming free service na maghahatid sa amin from our room to the lobby since very magkalayo sila. Ting hotel namin guys. So ayan yung lobby. Papasok ka dyan tapos may mga libreng sasakyan. Hey! Ganda! Punta kami Bangla Road guys. Wait.
Willingly po kami.
Hey! We are headed to Bangla Road.
Bangla Road.
Bakla Road.
Bakit kanina 300 kada ka? Hindi wala kayong pang lights and sound. Lights ng Palawan ng sounds. Oh, wow! Pag mag-alas.
We actually went to the gay district area just to see the happenings around there. We were amazed kasi some of the performances, like you see in the video, were done out in the streets. We get to meet different celebrities pa nga, like Rita Ora, Katy Perry, Japanese version, Meghan Trainor, And of course, Miss Celine Dion. Around midnight, customers were actually asked to go inside the bar for more performances, which we enjoyed. Hello guys, so it's our last day here at Phuket, and for our last day nagpunta lang kami ng old Phuket town, and we're just gonna explore the place, gonna try their desserts and foods. So early naghahanap muna kami ng medyo pwede namin tambayan kasi mainit, parang ano lang naman, same ng init sa Pinas. Natagpuan namin yung hinahanap namin dito sa Old Town Phuket. One Chun yung pangalan. It's a Michelin-starred cafe and restaurant. I'm gonna now taste my milky. Ako nag-order na to. In One Chun, we had shrimp salad, deep fried eggs with minced pork, and then muhong, which is a pork belly stew. Thanks, Christian Chu.
Alis dyan yung view ko.
Oy, opa! Kamsahamnida! Continuing our food tripping, we stumbled upon Baan 125. Baan 125 is actually a hotel where the local cafe occupies mostly the first floor. We are at the old Phuket town and we're just exploring the area. And then currently we are looking for some street foods, and afterwards we'll grab some dinner. Yeah, I think that's it. And just right around the corner, I think it's another Instagram spot, and it's called Soy Romani Street, which I remember is quite popular as a selfie playground. We just went to the Instagram places. So we ended up here. Michelin. As you can see, 21, 22, 2019, 2020, and then 20. And last stop is another Michelin-starred restaurant called Tu Khab Khao, which is a popular Thai restaurant in Old Town Phuket, serving great southern Thai food. This one is pork, roasted pork, pineapple fried rice, the hands of Hannah, stewed eggs, and prawn cake. The best part of this dinner is this delicious dessert. Politiko yung nakalagay. After a full day of food tripping, it was time to head out and catch our flight to Bangkok. That is all. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on my next video. I am now going back to Bangkok.